Hello friends, welcome back. Blood clots are lumps of blood that form in your body. Clotting is essential as it prevents excessive bleeding. However, when blood clots block the flow of blood to crucial parts of your body, it can become dangerous or even fatal. Luckily, some foods can make the blood thin and prevents the formation of blood clots. Here is the list of 7 superfoods that will help in preventing blood clots in the body. Number 1. Kiwi. As per a study conducted by University of Oslo, kiwi is the ideal and the best fruit that can prevent dangerous clots in the body. Consuming 2 to 3 kiwis each day lowers the platelet activation to a great extent. Lower platelet activation prevents the risk of formation of blood clots. Kiwi also lowers cholesterol and keeps you healthy. In case you are not fond of kiwis, then other fruits that prevent blood clotting are oranges, strawberries, grapes, blueberries, plums and raisins. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is excellent in preventing blood clots because it contains coumarin, which is blood thinning agent. It will thin the blood and will not allow it to coagulate and cause clots in the body. You can take cinnamon in small amounts, like in tea or cookies. Excess use can cause liver damage. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic has been used as an effective medicine since ages. Garlic has the ability to thin the blood and prevent the formation of clots. Garlic shows fibrinolytic activity which prevents unwanted clotting in the body. Using garlic in your daily diet is the easiest way to prevent blood clots. The ideal way is to consume raw garlic in the morning, as it works effectively on the muscles of the arteries and relaxes them. Thus, it helps in lowering the blood pressure by thinning the blood. You can also include other spices and herbs in the daily diet, which have curry, thyme, turmeric, paprika, cayenne, mint, ginger, anise, etc., as they are anti-inflammatory and prevent excessive clotting. Number 4. Onions. Onion helps in a significant way in preventing blood clots because they contain a compound called rutin, which acts as anticoagulant and reduces the risk of clot formation and high blood pressure. Onions have 3 blood thinning agents, out of which adenosine is a blood vessel relaxant and prevents clots in the body. Onions avert the aggregation of platelets and dissolve the blood clots. Number 5. Olive oil. It is advised to switch to olive oil for cooking because it enhances your cardiovascular health by preventing the formation of blood clots. Olive oil contains a component called HDL or APOA4, good cholesterol, which prevents the aggregation of platelets. This component averts the sticking of the platelets and thus avoid clots. Number 6. Fish and flax. Omega-3 fatty acids are incredibly beneficial to the body as they avert strokes and blood clots. Consuming 1.8 grams of it every day can considerably improve the flow of the blood and decrease the thickness of arteries. Fish is the most abundant source of omega-3 fatty acids, especially trout, salmon, anchovies, herring, and mackerel. Vegetarians and people who do not like fish can get their omega-3 fatty acids from sunflower and flax seeds. Number 7. Nuts and whole grains. Foods rich in vitamin E also prevent blood clotting because vitamin E is an anticoagulant. It minimizes the risk of getting the first blood clot, and even if you already have one, it prevents from developing more clots. Nuts, almonds, hazelnuts are excellent sources of vitamin E. Even whole grains like wheat, oatmeal, and lentils are rich in vitamin E and prevent clotting of blood. In conclusion, all the above foods are tasty and healthy and prevent blood clotting to a great extent. Further, you should also monitor your intake of saturated and trans fats. Saturated fat found in meat and junk food does not allow the blood to flow freely. Consuming them in a less quantity is essential to prevent blood clots in the body. Thank you for watching the video. You can watch more exciting videos by subscribing to our channel.